Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alivas and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this lecture, we will observe the diagram of this region and also have to find the greatest and the least value of this relation in the region R. This is the same region that you have plotted here. No understanding. I will explain. Let's say this is the graph. This is a complex plane with real and imaginary axis x and y respectively. What is this point? G minus 5 minus 4 iota. In the first part we have this one. If you take minus you will this one, and we have to locate this region R. So you can see that for the real axis we have 5 and for imaginary we have minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. This is a point 5 and minus 4 iota. You have this point. So let's say for the time being consider this equal to 3. Means you have a circle. This is a circle equation. If you have G absolute, for example you have G modulo equal to 1. It means you have a circle with center 0 equal to 1. If you further explain it, you have x square plus y square is equal to 1 square, squaring both sides. So you can write it as x minus 0 square, y minus 0 square is 1. So you can see that it is the equation of circle centered at 0. This is your 0. So unit circle of radius 1 aa gaya, at the origin aa gaya. Similarly, if I write down here G minus 2 absolute is 1, for example, so you have to take center at x minus 2. If you open it, you will get x minus 2 square y square is 1, means at 1 and 2 you have a center of radius 1. So this is iota minus iota. It is plus iota, it is 2, it is 1, it is 3. So it is a unit circle at center 2, 0. Center will be 2, 0. So but here we have a center at this one and the radius of 3. So it means it is 4, 3, 2, 1, this one. And similarly you can go downward to 3 unit downward, 5, 6, 7 minus 7 iota. So when you draw it, you will get this one. This is the center of radius 3, because from here you above 3 you will add b 1 and you will add 3, you will be at minus 7 here. So it is mentioned that it is less than equal to 3, means the interior. If it is mentioned x equal to this one equal to 3, then we consider only boundary. If it's considered less than equal, means boundary and the interior. If only less than, it means only the interior, not boundary is included. But here is less than equal, it means we are including the boundary and the interior. If it is mentioned that it is greater than 3, then all the sphere of this circle of radius 3, we have to consider this exterior of this one, not interior. The first part is complete and we come to our second point. He says find the least and the greatest value of this z plus 3 minus 2 iota in the region R. This is your region R. The region you locate here is R. So if I consider the absolute this one, you can write it as G minus 3 plus 2 iota, this one. So it means 1, 2 minus 3, 1, 2, 2 iota, this one. This is a point, let's say this is G0. So I can write it as G minus G0, where G0 is minus 3 plus 2 iota, this one. We have to find the least and the greatest value for the region G. This is the region. So every point that lie in this region is Z. Understand? So we have to take that Z which make the distance with Z0 maximum, and we have to choose that Z in the region R which make the distance between Z0 is minimum. So here are many points that you can consider. For example, you can choose this point. This is the distance because G lie over the boundary. You can choose this one. Maybe this is less one. But if I choose this one, maybe this distance is less one. If I choose distance, maybe this distance is less one. So how many points I have to consider? It is very difficult to choose. There are a lot of many points, infinitely many points that we cannot consider. So I mean we cannot write the every possible point. So if I choose this one, maybe this is the maximum point, or maybe whatever the point I can choose with my thinking, maybe the maximum or not. So to find the distance between the Z0 and a Z in a region such that the distance will be minimum or maximum, we use the tactics. If we find the distance between Z0, this one, and this center Z1, okay, so this is the distance between 2 points. So we calculate the distance between Z0 and Z1. Let's say this Z1 is center, and then we subtract the 3, which is the radius. That will be the minimum distance, and if we add 3, that will be the maximum distance. So student, Z0 is minus 3 plus 2 iota, and Z1 is 5 minus 4 iota. So Z0 minus Z1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 iota minus 5 minus 2 iota. Okay, so we will get minus 8 plus 2 plus 4, 6 iota modulo. It is equal to 8 square, 6 square, 64, 36, 10. So the maximum distance is Z0 minus Z1 plus 3. This is 10 plus 3 is 13, and minimum distance is Z0 minus Z1 minus 3, which is 10 minus 3 is 7 units, and this is 13 units. This is your answer. So hopefully you have enjoyed this lecture. Take care of yourself. See you again. Allah Hafiz.